stomach.
Wow, I see some hairs, bits.
Look at the dough. It's getting better.
Ah!
You can have this over lunch.
Now, yes, I want that in my lunch.
It's cool, hey? So I use this flour. For starter, you can use anything, all-purpose flour.
I love that.
And from Costco flour, but they're very too expensive for that. But you can use anything as long as your starter.
What are you talking
In the video, this is the starter that I used. I'm gonna feed them later during lunchtime. So here I'm gonna make my own dough my own bread because
It looks so cool.
it's too expensive to buy a sourdough for $12.15. Everything is increasing, but homemade sourdough is the best. Because you know that because you don't add any like a lot of chemicals or something. This is salt.
I see my finger.
Salt pressing self-starter sourdough. They're really good for your gut and for your digestion. So even my daughter can make this one, but she's still sleeping. Me and my son beside me. And we love sourdough. My kid loves sourdough.
That's so
Sourdough
yummy.
sandwich.
I love this. I love this.
So we are now in here, stir number 2, and this one gonna be ferment after from 1, 2, 3, 4.
13.
No, for the rest of 6 hours. This is good when you work. You work 6 hours or 8 hours. When you come home, you have a fresh bread. You don't have to worry about it. If it burnt, it doesn't burn at all.
I love that.
Okay, so now we'll see you later when this one gonna be fermented and cooked.
It's so cool.